South Africa went into a national lockdown in March in an effort to curb the spread of coronavirus. When this happened, consumer demand fell and production across all sectors declined in the face of isolation. Most companies resorted to retrenchments, cutting operational costs. Desperate consumers, it seems, are now cashing in credit life insurance claims, which cover for death, disability and retrenchment. This as many ordinary South Africans struggle to make ends meet.
There's three instances where the credit life policy will pay out, right? So it's death, there's disability and retrenchment. Now, usually the death and disability one are far more catastrophic and single events. But what's playing out today because of COVID-19 is the retrenchment one. That one is getting a lot of airplay. And so what happens in that situation is that if you can prove to the insurer of the policy, which in most cases is the bank. So if you took out a policy, if you took out a loan with the Red Bank, you'll get the Red Bank's credit life policy. And so all you need to do in that situation is you prove that you've been retrenched from your job. And then what will happen is that the policy will pay for your loan installments, right, during your period of retrenchment.
Analysts say that people should be cautious of taking up more debts during these trying economic times. They say they should rather consolidate their debts to protect their credit records.
In uncertain times, such as a lockdown for reasons of COVID-19 prevention, it is generally not a good idea for consumers to take on additional credit. This is a time to consolidate all debts and to repay debts as far as possible. Unfortunately, people are retrenched during this period as many businesses have been forced to lock down by government regulation and are therefore not in a position to pay their employees. The question then is whether people should take insurance such as credit life insurance on their debt that will pay out in the event of retrenchment, and such an initiative will be good to protect the consumer and protect the credit record of the consumer. Likewise, consumers have to assess their own situation to decide whether or not they should take life insurance should they be in a position where they have dependents and have to take care of such dependents.
With the current COVID-19 pandemic, death and retrenchments are inevitable as the global economy contracts rapidly. Thus, credit life insurance companies are urging consumers to go through their policies to ensure that they are covered for the eventuality. Notsando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.